Hi Bixby, turn off this phone.
Should I turn it off?
Yes. Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off or restart your Samsung phone without buttons. So we have three ways to do this. The first one, just go to the top bar, swipe again, and here we have the power off icon. If you tap on it, from here you can power off or restart easily your phone. Now, the second way, you can use Gemini or Google Assistant. So I will say, hey Google, turn off this phone.
Sure, turning off your device.
And again, from here, you can select power off or restart. And the third way is to use Bixby Assistant. So I will say, hi Bixby, turn off this phone.
Should I turn it off?
Yes. And as you can see, Bixby turned off my Samsung. So it is easy to do it. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.